What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel. As you read on the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Christmas sweater from the Dollar Tree materials. So that's like the best part, because everything that's in the Dollar Tree is $1. It's not expensive at all. If you don't know about the Dollar Tree, I don't know what neighborhood you're living in, but the Dollar Tree is everywhere. So let's move on. Now, this is for everyone out there trying to get their Christmas spirit on a budget. I know it's a little early for, talking about Christmas and stuff, but after Thanksgiving is all about Christmas. I know the struggle of not having the time or the money to show some holiday spirit, so let's say no more and get to it. Okay guys, so I do want to let you guys know that I am currently sick right now, so sorry for the voice. But for starters, I got these sweaters from Walmart for $6 each. And again, the decorating materials were $1 as well, from the Dollar Tree store. All I was using for this DIY was a glue gun, but feel free to sew in all the decorations on the sweater, like the bells. For the first sweater, I used a printed Christmas tree layout paper to make things easier for me, but what I did do wrong was that I was gluing the bells real close to the paper, that the edges of the paper glued on with the bells. So if you guys are going to be doing that, I recommend being careful with that. And so then all I was doing was just finish gluing the green bells, because that's what I wanted as the surrounding of the tree, of course. And then I just glued the star. That one came with a bottom piece, but I just really yanked it hard and took it off. And then I just added the gold bells. So that's it for the first sweater. I do recommend having small scissors and a lint roller to help you clear off all the remaining glue strings that is left over. That will really help. For the second sweater, it's the same sweater and steps from the first one, but if you like to go for a fuller decorated look, I just added the snowflakes. You can add more, but I liked the way it was looking already, so I just left it like that. For the third sweater, I just needed one decoration, which was the pom-poms. And you start by just gluing them in a circular form, and I like gluing some on top of each other to really give it a Christmas wreath feel. I ended up using just 2 of the bags, but even with one will look just fine. That's just my opinion. And lastly, for the last sweater, I didn't really record the final look of how I ended up doing it, but I used these tinsel stems and tried to shape them into Christmas trees. I was just bending the tip so no one gets hurt kind of thing, and just using my fingers, wrapping them around, trying to do these waves of the Christmas tree. It didn't have to look perfect. In my opinion, I don't think it should look perfect. I initially started with the idea of putting the trees everywhere, top and bottom of the shirt, as you can see. But then I changed it to moving the trees at the bottom only, and adding these styrofoam kind of balls called fox snow to make it look like snow. I didn't show it, but all the snowballs are all spaced out, and where the trees are, I just added a bunch of the snow as well. There, I do try to glue it all together, on top of the small trees. The picture for this sweater will be on my Instagram. Alrighty, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it, and hope you guys make these yourselves. You don't need to go buy a sweater like I did. Any sweater or shirt, tank top will do. I don't know where you live. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also comment to let me know if you guys want to see more of these videos. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram and tag me on your pictures. I'll see you guys next time.